Right folks, next project's arrived. This is a 2000 on a W Land Rover 90 TD5 and it is farm fresh. Only thing I've done at the minute, pressure wash it off outside just so we can see what we're left with underneath. Let's take you in, have a look underneath and show you what I found. Alright, typical Landy. Oil from front bumper to rear bumper. Over years, spewed out. It's had a few patches on it. One time in its life, one there. There's a couple more. There's one there, look. Things I've found at the minute will be that rear outrigger wants doing, completely shot. It's breaking off on top of mount as well up there. We've got top side at front one, can't really see from the angle that I'm at. Someone's got a socket stuck, but it's got new brake lines on it, new discs on it, new pads in it. They don't look that old. Same with that side. I'll show you at rear. I don't know if you can see that with light. We've got a nice hole in the rear chassis. Someone's ripped that off, we're dragging it out at field. I think that's your tank guard, if that's what you call it. It's gone. Totally rotten. Cross member don't look too bad. It's got a bit in that corner there. Let's have a look at front rails. Oh, the light's not very good. They don't look too bad. Seen a lot worse. I've pressure washed them before and got bin bags ready. Let's lower it down and I'll show you the rest of the truck. Yeah then. It's got some nice Coopers on it, some Steelers, plenty of life left in them yet. That door can't be saved. It looks like someone's had it open or something, it's had a roll away or they've just gone into something and basically tweaked all the door back that way. A little knock in that wing. There's the worst bit. Well, it's had a little knot there. The worst bit's this. It's a shame that it's done side skin, top skin, and front. It's probably got plastic as well. I'm hoping I can get that out with a bit of heat. This door's not too bad. Got a nick there, a couple of other dings in it. It's a Landy at the end of the day. I don't think they're straight when they come out of factory. So a standard TD5 interior. Seats are gone on corners. Blooming hell, it shuts. Side panels are pretty straight. Smashed rear window, smashed side, but luckily I've got two chucked in back. That's a shame. Usual rear door, tailgate, whatever you call them. Gone along bottoms. Well, I think she's savable. Let's pop the bonnet up, have a look. Got a bit of an oil leak somewhere. Blowing along top. I've never had one of these engines before. I've had the 200 and the 300 TDI. So if anybody can tell me how to bat them, much appreciated. It's what to look out for. Well, that's the next one, guys. Let me know what you think. Cheers for watching. Ta-da.